If you want to make your YouTube videos more attractive and professional, Lordicon is a great tool to try. Lordicon is a simple and useful website that provides animation icon for different type of project. These icons are not just normal images, they can move, react and look more attractive. People use them to make website, mobile apps, presentation and even YouTube videos look more modern and professional. One of the best thing about Lordicon is that it is easy to use. You can go to website, search for any icon you need and preview how it looks before downloading. These icons are available in different formats like SVG, GIF, PNG and JSON. So they can use in many ways. Even beginner can use this icon without any technical skill. Lordicon also offers both an free and paid option. Some icons are free but you may need to give credit to website. If you want to more feature and beginner collection, you can choose a paid plan. Overall, Lordicon is a great tool for everyone who want to improve design quickly and easily. It saves time, adds animation and helps your content stand out without much effort. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.